Welcome back to our NIPS home school. Hope you are safe and sound at home. This is Shiuly Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Idol English Version School, morning shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 3. Our today's topic is broad question answer 1 and 2 discussion. So let's get started our class. Class 3 subject BGS topic broad question answer 1 and 2 from chapter 9. 1 number question. Now I am going to tell these questions. Which are our most important natural resources? Answer. Bangladesh is rich in natural resources. Natural gas is one of the most important resources of our country. We use gas for cooking, cars and vehicles. We also have many minerals which can be dug out of the ground. These include coal, limestone, chinamati, silica, mineral sand and hard rock. Now I am going to tell this once again. Which are our most important natural resources? Answer. Bangladesh is rich in natural resources. Natural gas is one of the most important resources of our country. We use gas for cooking, cars and vehicles. We also have many minerals which can be dug out of the ground. These include coal, limestone, chinamati, silica, mineral sand and hard rock. Now come to the next one. Number 2. Why do we need trees? Answer. Trees are our best friends. We get the necessary oxygen from trees to survive. They give us food, shades and shelter. They protect us from natural disasters such as flood, drought, storm, etc. Besides this, we make furniture by using wood, which we get from trees. They give us flowers. Sometimes they are used as medicine. For these reasons, trees are important to us. Now, again I am telling this. Why do we need trees? Answer. Trees are our best friends. We get the necessary oxygen from trees to survive. They give us food, shades and shelter. They protect us from natural disasters such as flood, drought, storm, etc. Besides this, we make furniture by using wood which we get from trees. They give us flowers. Sometimes they are used as medicine. For these reasons, trees are very important to us. Now it is our homework number 12 and broad question. It will be topic will be broad question 1. This one. Which are our most important natural resources? It is our homework for next Saturday. So do your homework at home and submit on next Saturday. Thank you all of you. See you next class.